Assalamu alaikum. Respected Ustad, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. Today I came in front of you with a small speech about family. Family is the most important one in our life. Family is one of the big gifts from the Lord. We get care, love, satisfaction, and happiness from our family. It's the first comfort in each and everyone's life. A good family builds a good society. We need family members to share our feelings, moments of joy and sorrow in life. Especially childhood depends on their family. In the behind of every child achievement are parents. So friends, we should love and obey our family. I conclude my small speech here. Thank you.